We are in Tanacross, Alaska, just outside of Tok, and we are here to teach operators from all across the state how to take care of their boilers. They can bring this knowledge back to their villages and train the trainers, so to speak. We've been organizing this training for about almost 6 months. Right now they are taking apart all the heat exchanger tubes, brushing out all the ash from this last heating season, and then they're putting new gaskets in where they need to be and just making sure all the parts are working as they should.
This gasket on this motor probably could be put back in service. The edge of it cracked here, and the gasket saver is still on the unit and it's in good condition.
Oh, learning them everything about the boiler, how to operate it and how to store fuel, all that stuff. Just a complete study of everything about biomass project,
We're trying to get as many different villages from all different regions of Alaska. Moving the training program around, it gets an extra benefit to the different locations. And now we're here in Tanacross. We have, a handful, I think eight or nine students from all across the state, and another 3 or 4 students from here in Tanacross showing up, and they're learning how to most effectively take care of their boilers.
Temperature sensors themselves are only sensitive to plus or minus 5 degrees.
We're a small lumber company. We produce custom lumber and firewood for Southeast Island School District and private businesses and people. We already provide a substantial amount of firewood, and we'd like to know more about the process to be able to better understand our customers' needs. The boiler itself is very simple, very easy to work on, straightforward. The plumbing, however, a whole nother story.
There's more to it in the heating system than just adding wood. You have to control your water, your pH, and then also you got to run around and inspect your buildings every day, and you got to keep up with the maintenance details on all your parts. So there is a lot to it, but I have faith in these young kids, so I hope the best for them.